Welcome to Craft Catalog. Let me take you into a world where wood isn't just a material, but a language. A world where craftsmanship becomes meditation, and every joint, every cut, every detail carries centuries of wisdom. This is Japanese woodworking, and today you're about to discover why it continues to inspire makers all around the world. Most woodworking starts with tools. Japanese woodworking starts with intention. The moment you touch a piece of wood, you're encouraged to understand its grain, its personality, and even its flaws. Instead of forcing it into shape, you work with the wood, not against it. That simple mindset shift is one of the biggest secrets behind the precision and beauty of Japanese joinery. Now imagine building furniture without screws or nails. Only perfectly fitted joints holding everything together with strength that lasts for decades. Japanese craftsmen mastered this long before power tools existed. The dovetail joints, the Kanoa Tsugi splicing joints, and the intricate Kigoroshi fitting methods show just how far skill can go when patience becomes part of the process. The real magic begins the moment you pick up a Japanese pull saw. Instead of pushing like Western saws, you pull the blade toward you. This gives you cleaner cuts, better control, and incredibly thin curves that waste almost nothing. It feels surprisingly natural, and beginners often notice immediate improvement in their accuracy. The same goes for the Kana hand plane, which shaves wood into whisper-thin ribbons. It leaves surfaces so smooth and polished that you barely need sandpaper. Many woodworkers say the feeling of using a kana is almost addictive. But Japanese woodworking isn't just about tools. It's about discipline in every movement. Cuts are slow and deliberate. Measurements are taken with care because even a single millimeter matters. When joints come together perfectly, you hear a soft click, almost like the wood is saying yes. That small sound is deeply satisfying, and once you experience it, you'll understand why Japanese craftsmen devote years to mastering these techniques. What makes this style so appealing today is how accessible it has become. You don't need a full workshop or expensive machinery. You can begin with scrap wood, a pull saw, a chisel, a small plane, and patience. Even simple practice joints feel rewarding. Just sitting down and cutting your first clean mortise or fitting a basic lap joint can give you a sense of progress that motivates you to keep going. And here's the best part. Japanese woodworking fits perfectly into modern DIY culture. You can create floating shelves, small tables, wooden boxes, picture frames, and even minimalist decor pieces that feel high-end and timeless. The style blends naturally with farmhouse, Scandinavian, rustic, and contemporary homes because simplicity never goes out of fashion. So whether you're restoring old furniture, building something from scratch, or simply exploring a new creative skill, Japanese woodworking gives you techniques that elevate even the simplest project. And once you experience the precision, the silence, and the calm that comes with it, you'll never see woodworking the same way again. If you love learning traditional techniques, creative woodworking ideas, and unique ways to transform wood into beautiful, meaningful designs, make sure you subscribe to Craft Catalog. Your next woodworking breakthrough might be one joint away.